Hello, testing everybody. Brian here for quantlabs.net. In this video, I'm going to show you, you can see here, this wonderful home office. Is it a dream or not that you can do algo trading with interactive brokers and even do Forex trading? Let's find out. Let me go over to the screen here. So here we are on MotiveWave. And I'm going to show you some pairs with the markets being the way they are. Some pairs that seem to be doing okay on a buy and hold type of setup. Before we get started, make sure you get put on or get yourself on our email list, quantlabs.net/contacts, where you go. It's a daily newsletter, and you'll get some of my trading secret PDFs. And hopefully you'll take advantage of those. They are free. Okay, so let's take a look at a list of Forex pairs and commodities that might be really good for hedging. If you're using a home office, it's a good place for saving yourself on professional advisory fees. And this is just a sample of what can be done. And again, I'm using MotiveWave here. So let me just show you some of what's available out there despite the markets being clobbered right now. Over the last few weeks. So everyone's going to first ask about let me just first show you the soybean. You can see here soybean on a daily, weekly, has a really nice upswing. This is a way to take advantage of the inflation trade as it kicks in. Just close these out just to make way for new charts. So we also have wheat here, same idea. Prices are going up. That's a monthly chart. So again, the inflation trades where you can take full advantage of this on a weekly, daily, and that's wheat. And I'm going to continue along. We have here also soybean I can show you as another option. So this one is pretty good as well. It's not strong, but what you can see here, it is trending up. That's what we like to see. There's very little stress there. You can do it in your own home office on this side hustle for retirement purposes, and that's on a daily, 2-week view, and monthly view. Just moving up, taking advantage of that inflation. Make it back while you're spending unnecessarily. All right, so let's look at probably the best commodity out there. So again, let me just show you here on the WTI Oil trade. This is a really good one. That's on a weekly, that's on an hourly basis, I believe, or 4-hour, 1 day, 2 swings there, really good. Weekly and monthly as well. Again, another great inflation trade. All right, so let's take a look at one last commodity, I believe. Well, we got 2 more commodities. There's another can be a really strong commodity, sugar. Again, do this in your home office. Again, this is a 4-hour view. Not much of a swing there, but for buy and hold, just waiting it out for this big swing here. And if the inflation trade still continues, that upswing should continue. We have here a monthly view, same idea. Okay, so let's look at some Forex pairs here. First one we can take a look at, that's probably long-term a really good one, is the USDINR, or Indian rupee. Doesn't look much here, but when you look at the daily again, these swings are really good. Weekly view, very choppy, but what you're after is this monthly view. Just a solid trend up since 2008. Really strong. It just shows you how strong India is growing. Okay, next one we have is, of all things, weird relationship, is the British pound against the Polish zloty. So here we go. So here you can it's starting to trend up the last couple of days on a daily view. Doesn't look much there, but you might start to see that start to pick up there a little bit. On the weekly view, same idea. You can see that trend there, and the monthly view as well. Okay, let's look at another good currency pair for Forex trading is, again, British pound, this time against the New Zealand dollar. Let's just show show you that here. New Zealand dollar, looking really good there. That's, well, let me just show you the daily view. Looking really good there, 1.9 to 201. The weekly, nice swing there, and the monthly, not as strong, but short term, looking good. Okay, I think I got a few more commodities. The first one most people will ask about is gold. Let's check out gold. Now, usually if you are using interactive brokers, you can get equivalent ETFs. So in my case, I'm going to show you just the in Canadian dollar. You can see here it's been rallying quite a bit. So might be a good time to get into the gold daily, weekly, and then the monthly right there. A big spike there last year. I think we're going to start to see some big spikes in gold. Last one is copper, and this is a good one too, just due to the fact when the pandemic's over, especially in China, I think the copper manufacturing will start to pick up, so you could take advantage of that. Really choppy there, daily view, choppy again, weekly view. See that big trend there? We should expect to see that to continue in the next little bit as the pandemic hopefully will start to wind down and no more variants. So that's pretty well it. As I said, if you want to know more, come over to our daily newsletter, quantlabs.net/contact. We'll leave it at that, and thanks for watching.